How to check credit score in Chase app. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you would like to check your credit score, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, head over and open up the Chase application within your mobile device or the website. And once you open it up, you should be finding this kind of interface on your screen. Now, what you may do is from your main home screen of your accounts, you may just scroll down from the given options until you scroll down and you will be finding this section for credit journey. So you can just go look it out and tap on it. And once you tap on it, there you will be finding your credit score available for your credit card here. We can see we have 732, which is good enough. So it is powered by Experian. So if you would like to look out for your credit score, you can find it right here. If you would want to look for the score history, at the top you can find see score history option. You may just go and tap on it, and there it will show you overall history of your credit score for your Chase app. So that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to check your credit score in Chase application as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.